Thank you for watching this little demo of TeamViewer SmartDirectory, the latest release of software from Scanso. This is an HTML5 application running on Android and Apple. This is a directory which would go directly on top of your TeamViewer database. You can see phone status, calendar status, and you can call your colleagues. When you have logged in, you will get access to the directory. You will see the departments in your company. You can choose from the list, and you can see phone status on the right side and calendar status on the left side. If you desire to call someone, you can just swipe from left to right, and you will get access to call buttons and send email and send SMS button. You can also change your personal status. You can do this by going to the menu, personal menu, and you can log in and out of home groups. You can go to Do Not Disturb, and you can alter your forward settings. You can also search, and that you'll do by just typing a name in the search field, and you will get the results, and here from you can dial. This is a very effective tool, and please have a look at it. And you can also go to the website and read more about this tool, and you can also contact sales for a demo and eventually a license. Thank you very much for your time.